Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Train Videos and More YouTube channel. And we're going to catch some trains today. So let's get to the trains. You can always like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, what we have here, the crew departed off the train, and there's nobody inside the locomotive. So they didn't have anybody. So all they had following was a load of coal. Here on your right. Then what they're going to do as they go up the Carroll where that railroad diamond is, or the switch area on Berwick Road, they're going to make the switch and hopefully get that. And if they get the crews in, then they'll move this train to Lincoln and points east. So that'd be the last train. Scratched up one of the new units. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Like the video, hit the like button, comment on it. Please subscribe to the train channel called Brad's Train Videos and More. And thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Hey everybody, this is Brad here. I'm going to call it a day for the train videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brad's Train Videos and More. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye.